this is my hair. This is my hair. This is the final results, the final look. I think that we all should love our natural hair. It's just such a beautiful natural hair. It's just such a beautiful thing, guys. Like, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are good. Hope you guys are well. So in today's video, I'm going to take you through the whole process of getting my hair from straight to curly. As you guys see in this video, my curly hair is back. My hair, I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, like I missed my hair, but I'm so glad that I have my curly babies back. And in this video you guys are going to see how I got my hair from straight to curly. And as you guys can see, there's no heat damage. Can we just give a clap? Can you guys just give me a clap for a moment? Please comment below if you guys want me to make a video on how to maintain your hair during your straight period the right way. There are a few things that I do not do during my straight period because it will give me heat damage. So yeah guys, I hope you guys are gonna enjoy this video. Please stick with me through the end of the video, and please give this video a massive thumbs up. Comment down below what you think of my hair. This is my dry hair. My hair is dry. Yeah, so yeah, please comment down below what you think. Do you like my straight hair more or my curly hair? I love you guys. Thank you so much for subscribing and enjoy this video. in the back, but he's busy playing. So this is my hair, guys. My hair is finally dry. It took like I think 4 hours for my hair to get dry, but my hair is finally dry, guys. I must say I missed my curly hair so much. I'm so glad that I have it back. Please comment down below what do you think of my hair. Yo guys, I missed my hair so much. Yeah, please let me know what you guys think of my hair results. Yes, only conditioner on my hair as usual, but yeah, this is my end results. I love it. I love my natural hair so much. I think that we all should love our natural hair. It's just such a beautiful natural hair. It's just such a beautiful thing, guys. Like, it's really such a beautiful thing. I'm so sorry, guys, for my child in the background. My child is a very busy bee. But yeah, guys, this is my hair. This is my hair. This is the final results, the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know in the comments below what do you think of my hair. I must say, guys, it's beautiful. And yeah, please give this video a massive thumbs up, like it, comment. Let me get to my baby. Bye, guys. Say bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.